May buklat na ang Business One-Stop Shop o BOSS king kilob ng Clark Freeport Zone anyang Lunes, November 6. Akit ya iniking Building 2126, El Pedro Quirino Avenue. Agpangking President and CEO na ng Clark Development Corporation na Attorney Agnes V.S.T. de Venadera, nasa ning bayong pasilidad ang pasiknangan ng ease of doing business kilob na ng economic zone.
This is a big come on. Because there are two issues that our investors always identify. One is the ease in doing business. I'm grateful that ART is very active. And the other one, of course, is on policies. So we are, hopefully we are addressing fully the ease in doing business. And second, of course, is we're also very active in the advocacy aspect of policies.
Kaya kareng dokumento amalyaring i-process king BOSS, deng business permit, environmental permit, fire and safety, health and sanitation, building and facilities permit at aliwa pa.
So it's not just a window to transact, but it is really an entire office to transact. And we want to be able to be assured, of course, that we can move in the next level.
Pinuri na naman ng Director General na ng Anti-Red Tape Authority ay Secretary Ernesto Perez ang bayong pasilidad kay Clark.
Itong pinakamaganda actually na one-stop shop. Ito pang world class, no? Sabi nga ni President Benadera, because you're dealing with multinationals, no, foreigners, you have to tell them that in the Philippines, we're also capable of showcasing something like this, na world class din. Yung iba, well, of course, hindi naman na, but iba to. This is really different, and this to me is really world class. Facilities that are welcoming and giving all the comfort that anyone who comes here will feel welcome and feel comfortable.
Metong yan naman kanong good example para kareng aliwa pang ahensya ng gobyerno ng Clark Development Corporation, pauli ng karelang nasang pasantingan ng pamamaya serbisyo kareng investors.
This is a good example, a showcase, no, that not only should local government units comply with the business one-stop shop requirement, even if it is not exactly required by the ease of doing business law, the Clark Development Corporation under the leadership of Attorney de Venadera is setting the example, a showcase worthy of emulation by all other government agencies to follow. That once you're able to have showcase something like this, it will be appreciated by your stakeholders, by your locators here.
Basiking datos na ng CDC, ating 1,161 locators at 127,509 employees king Clark Freeport Zone as of September 2023. Miras na murin kanuking $5.57 billion in fresh investments ngayon ng banwa, kabang at siya naman king $3.72 billion in alagana ng exported products iba't king Freeport. Ako, ingke kayong talusuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.